When deciding where to pursue my Doctor of Physical Therapy, I chose Rehman Medical Institute, Peshawar because of the overall learning environment that it provides. RMI offers a great academic system supported by modern labs and excellent practical training facilities, which are essential in a hands-on field like physical therapy. The way classroom learning is connected with the real clinical exposure helps students develop confidence and professional skills from an early stage. What also makes RMI stand out is that it combines traditional teaching methods with modern technologies like virtual reality, making learning more interactive and aligned with the current global practices. Beyond academics, RMI encourages students to participate in conferences, workshops, and extracurricular activities, which support personal growth, networking, and leadership development. For me, RMI is the right balance of professional training and personal development. That's why I chose Rehman College of Rehabilitation and Sciences for my degree journey.